The United States, a nation of immigrants, has long upheld the principle of birthright citizenship enshrined in the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. However, it now faces a heated debate over this fundamental right. The controversy has intensified in recent years, with various political factions weighing in. President Trump's executive order targets children born in the U.S. to undocumented immigrants, aiming to revoke their automatic citizenship. This move has sparked widespread controversy and numerous legal challenges, as opponents argue it violates the Constitution. The order aims to overturn established legal precedent, potentially impacting millions of families who have built their lives in the United States. Legal experts and civil rights organizations argue that the president has overstepped his authority, setting a dangerous precedent for executive power. The ensuing legal battle pits the executive branch against a coalition determined to uphold birthright citizenship, a cornerstone of American identity. Stories of those affected highlight the human cost of this policy shift, revealing the deep emotional and societal impact on immigrant communities across the nation. A federal judge in Seattle temporarily blocked President Trump's executive order, calling it unconstitutional. Judge Richard A. Jones meticulously dissected the administration's arguments, finding them lacking. His ruling emphasized that the Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to all born within its borders. The Trump administration vows to appeal, taking the fight to the Supreme Court. The 14th Amendment, ratified in 1868, marked a pivotal moment in American history. It guarantees citizenship to all individuals born or naturalized in the United States, fundamentally reshaping the nation's identity. Originally intended to secure the rights of freed slaves after the Civil War, its broad language has extended protections to all people regardless of race, status, or background. Over the years, the amendment has faced numerous challenges and interpretations, from the Chinese Exclusion Act, which sought to limit immigration, to the internment of Japanese Americans during World War II. Each legal test and societal challenge has reaffirmed the nation's commitment to the principle of equal protection under the law. Today, the debate over birthright citizenship continues to be a contentious issue, reflecting the ongoing struggle to define and protect the rights of all citizens. The legal battle over Trump's executive order continues, potentially reaching the Supreme Court. This executive order has sparked intense debate and legal scrutiny, with both sides preparing for a long and arduous journey through the courts. The stakes are incredibly high, as the decision could have far-reaching implications for immigration policy and the interpretation of constitutional rights. The Trump administration argues the order is within presidential authority, excluding children of undocumented immigrants from birthright citizenship. They claim this move is necessary to protect national security and uphold the integrity of the immigration system. However, this stance has been met with fierce opposition from various advocacy groups and legal experts. Opponents, buoyed by recent victories, prepare for a protracted legal fight. They are determined to challenge the executive order at every level, arguing that it undermines fundamental constitutional principles. These groups are mobilizing resources and rallying public support to ensure their voices are heard in the judicial process. They stress the 14th Amendment's role in protecting rights for all born on American soil. This amendment, they argue, is a cornerstone of American democracy, and any attempt to alter its interpretation could set a dangerous precedent. The legal community is closely watching how the courts will handle this contentious issue. The outcome will shape the nation's identity and future, with high stakes for millions. The decision will not only affect those directly impacted by the executive order, but also set the tone for future immigration policies and the broader interpretation of constitutional rights in America. The road ahead is uncertain, but the implications are undeniably profound.